would non-English speaker be able to invest in franchise as mentioned by Patrick? Yeah, I don't have a problem. There's no requirement to speak English to get a visa, but they will often ask you, how will you run the business? So if you don't speak English, presumably you will have a manager who is fluent in both languages. So
yeah, and from our side, fluent bilingual manager, or if you're dealing with the franchisor, you need to have a translator available within 48 hours command to jump in a meeting. The franchisor, it's a marriage. It's basically a 10-year contract. They need to communicate with you. So if they can't communicate with you, we have some franchisors that speak Spanish and clients that speak Spanish, and that's fine. But really, besides Spanish, you got to have a translator or that bilingual manager.
Thank you, Patrick. So, see, I'm probably going to just take a last question here. Can an investor change their status to E2 inside the US, avoiding going abroad? The answer is yes, if you're in the US in valid non-immigrant status. So if you're in the US on a B2 or B1 or even an F1 student visa, we can change your status in the United States. That approval would be valid for up to 2 years. When you leave the country, you then have to apply for a visa stamp at the consulate abroad, which is a brand new process. Folks, we've been going for over an hour. I see we've got a few people dropping off. So you will get this recording, share it with your friends. To reach Patrick, it's patrick@visafranchise.com. To reach me, it's bernard@wolfsdorf.com. Watch your mail next week. The green card will be arriving in an official envelope. Sorry, that's my standard bad, silly joke. The green card will not be arriving in the mail next week, but hopefully it will be arriving in the mail in 2 or 3 years' time, and we can all have a big green card party and celebrate. But the one thing that I do want to mention as well is the economy seems to be picking up. We seem to be going through an extreme boom time. Real estate in Southern California was up 20% in the month of April alone compared to last year. The stock market is what, at 34,000? It's insane. Maybe too high already, but I think with all the capital that's being pumped into the US economy, this is a good time to open a business. I think people want to get out and live again. So for those of you who are interested, if you have immigration questions, email me, Bernard@Wolfsdorf. We have 160 staff, 43 attorneys, 7 offices throughout the United States. And you'll find our team willing, able, and qualified to help. And if you need help with selecting a business, Patrick's a good guy to start with. Don't make it easy on him, kick him hard. He likes it. I know that because I do. But you want to make sure that your investment is safe. But these guys have been straight shooters in the past, and I expect them to be so in the future. So Patrick, thank you again for
thank you. Appreciate you and your team for putting this together so quickly.
Yeah,
like what, in 5 days?
We did this in about 4 or 5 days. We wanted to be out there quickly because I don't know how long the 500,000 EB-5 will last. It could be 1 week, it could be 2 weeks, but what I do know is that we could file an EB-5 at 500,000 for you tomorrow. We'd have to put a good business plan together, but the bottom line is that's going to go back up to at least 900,000 relatively soon. On that dire note, I wish you all a good fortune and look forward to hearing from you. Patrick, come and visit me again soon in LA, and we will talk soon and look forward to working with you.
Appreciate it.
Adios, everyone.